Most caravan parks, if they're good, they will have a texting system where they can send a bulk text out to everyone in the park saying, hey, don't forget, it's Chinese night in the food truck, or it's pizza night. Like, pizza's always getting pizza night in caravan parks, right? You may be nervous to go and ask them, hey, can you send a group text out for hairdressing, dog sitting? I saw a guy doing knife sharpening and, oh man, he was leaving. If I knew he was there, I would have got it. But use the park's infrastructure and get them to send out a group text. You might think they won't do it, but I tell you how caravan parks work, mate. If they offer more shit than the caravan park down the road, you're more likely to stay longer, you're more likely to write a good review, and you're more likely to come back. So they are on your side. If you're looking to start or run a little business from your caravan, they're not going to say no, mate. Yeah? And if they do, then fuck them. Yeah? Put a camp cunt sticker on their front door, leave. Who cares? People don't buy the best product. People buy the best known product. Dog sitting, hairdressing, knife sharpening, massages, eyebrows, fucking whatever it is. I want to support people. If I don't know about you, then I can't do that. If you're parked down on site 320 and I'm at 12, I'm not coming down there, mate. I've got no reason to come down. So you've got to use the park's infrastructure. If you're on the road full time, and I used to do this as well, I would join local groups on Facebook and just say, hey, we live full time on the road, we're driving through. There's always get like 3 or 4 people saying, yeah, we'll see you next week when you're here. But if I was doing knife sharpening, or I was doing dog sitting, or I was doing hairdressing, and I joined the local Facebook group, that's the secret. Join the community. Fucking if they're like, well, we need proof that you live here, just fucking lie. Who cares? Get on and then put a post up and always use a picture. You'll make $1,000 every town you hit. People want to spend money. There's people going to think I'm stupid. Okay, here's a business idea. You want to quit your job and you want to hit the road and you're worried about, oh, I can't take too much weight. Husband's a diesel mechanic, got too many tools. Okay, here's a business. Put a sticker on the back of your car. For $40, you'll grease all my springs, suspension on the caravan. You'll have it done in 20 minutes. There's not a person in the caravan park that won't get that done. Okay, because no one wants to crawl in under the van. We've all got Zerks that are like stuck, and most people don't carry a pneumatic one with us to really blast them to get the grease into them. If you've come across a dirt road or you hear your van squeaking, you're always like, oh, that sounds a little shit. I wish someone would help me service that. So all you got to do is pack a grease gun, an air compressor, and some little Zerks. You've got yourself a business, mate. I'm telling you. I can just see potential businesses everywhere and no one taking advantages of them. So anyway, all right. Let's go to number 4.